Welcome, everyone, to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies workshop series on powerful and engaging presentations using PowerPoint. So, today we'll go over features of PowerPoint that help make a powerful and engaging presentation. To start this, one must either have a PowerPoint downloaded account or have access to the web version through Microsoft Office Online. Some of these do require an access code, which can be granted with your purchase of a Windows computer or through your school district if they do offer that. So after downloading or locating PowerPoint, we can then begin by starting our project. So once you initiate a new project, you can look at selecting themes and inserting and customizing content, and then finally presenting. To start, we'll choose a template by clicking the Design tab on the User toolbar, and we're given access to a various set of templates on the left-hand side. So for this, we'll just click one of the random templates. You can browse for specific themes or save any current ones that you're utilizing. So for this example, we'll select this yellow one here. So after you've selected your template, you can then look at adjusting the background, colors, or fonts, or see if there's a different set of styles that fit your message a bit better. And there are also options that come up in the Designer tab on the right-hand side as well. By clicking the designer logo, there are also other templates that are suggested to you, and you can further customize the slide size or format the background as well. So after you've selected a template and adjusted your background colors, next we'll look at inserting and manipulating assets. So by clicking the Insert tab, you're given a set of asset class options to incorporate in your slide. So whether it's a table, pictures, a screenshot, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, charts, or text boxes, word art, or headers and footers, dates and times. There are a number of different assets that you're able to incorporate. Once you do click these assets, for example, a shape, you can then further change the color, orientation, and location of it as well. We will have more intermediate sessions on utilizing some of these features. For now, I'll leave it for you to play around with, whether it's a shape or a chart or a smart art that you would like to customize. It is notable that you do have the option under pictures to browse from either pictures that you have or to choose from stock images that they have or pull from online pictures as well. So once you choose your assets, you can then look at utilizing animations to further give life to your shapes. So an example of this under the Animations tab will be something such as appear or fill in color or spin, for example. And then there are exit effects for when you transition to the slide following this one. So there are entry effects, standing effects, and exit effects. So these apply to any asset that you can manipulate. You could include it in text boxes as well. So that entirely depends on how you feel you would best convey your message in your presentation utilizing animations on your assets. Now, in terms of slide-to-slide animations, these are called transitions. Now, you can choose which transition fits each slide better, whether it's a push, a wipe, a fade, a reveal, a cut, random bars. There's a large number of animations that you can choose from that bring life to your presentation. And then there's further options you can choose to see if the effect is vertical or horizontal. It's entirely up to your customization and creative expression. So these are utilized to liven your slides and presentation and further engage your viewers as you're conveying the meat of your information. So the next step after assets, animations, and transitions is to input your text content. So inputting your text content can be whatever you're trying to convey to your audience. So by clicking the Home tab, it gives you all of the options for the layout and for the potential sections that you would like to include your information. And then within that, if you would like it to be numbered or bullet points or oriented in the middle to the right-hand side, there are different formatting options, size changes, color changes, highlighting, underlining, bold, font changes, and you can also try to access some word art as well or smart art to further convey your message, or if you need to utilize models, you can adjust that as you see fit. So after you've included your assets with animations and transitions in between all of your slides, you've chosen your initial template and customized the background colors, you further customize the layout of your content, and you now have input your text content, you can then look at your presentation options after you've done your assets, theme, and text content. So by clicking the slideshow option, you're given a number of options to either present from a viewer's perspective, present from a presenter's perspective, which would have your notes, or it would have the option of recording. So when you click record, it will take you to a program that looks like this, and it will give you the option to have your picture in the bottom right corner as well. So you would press the red circle to initiate the recording, but we're not going to do that today. So once you've completed your presentation with your animations, your transitions, your assets, your colors, and templates, you can then and you've input your text content, you can either then play from the beginning, play from the current slide, utilize your presenter's view, or record your presentation and upload it to a publicly accessible space. If you do have any further questions or need more individualized help with this, please always feel free to reach out to either myself or one of our team members at the ADP Center. You can go to adpcenter.org, and then by clicking Schedule an Appointment, and by clicking one of our team members, it will bring up our schedule. If you'd like to email us, you can email adpcenter@montclair.edu, and we look forward to having you at our future workshops on PowerPoint, Office app integration, and intermediate usage of PowerPoint. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you.